In order to find the solution to this problem, your job was to determine the landing locations of each bird so that you could figure out how it affected where the pig king would end up. These were the landing locations for each one based on the equation that was given, and those 3 points were found by identifying the x-intercepts using the factored forms of the rule. So we determined that blackbird would start at 0, 0 and land at 13, 0. Redbird would start at 0, 0 and then land at 5, 0. And then yellowbird would start at 0, 0 and land at 8, 0. If we moved a bird behind the pig king, then pig king would move forward 4 spaces. And if we moved a bird in front of pig king, then he would move backwards 2 spaces. So our goal needed to be to make pig king to land on one of the spaces that a bird would also land on. If we move the blackbird first, so start him at 0, 0, and then he would follow his flight path all the way to his other x-intercept at 13, 0. That's behind pig king, so pig king would move forward 4 spaces. Now we have the choice of either having a bird land in front of him, making him move back 2, or having a bird land behind him, making him move forward 4. Based on the spaces that I have marked, if the pig king moved forward 4 spaces, he would not land in a location that would match one of the bird's locations. But if we had him move backwards 2 spaces, then he would land on an x value of 8, which does match one of the locations of the birds. So we'll throw the red bird next, and the red bird will land at 5. That's in front of the pig king, so pig king is going to move backwards 2 spaces. That puts him at the point 8, 0, which is where the yellow bird lands. So that means with our third shot, if we use yellow last, yellow bit will be responsible for knocking out the pig king.